Well, so today I'll discuss third party administrator. Third party administrator or TPA in short. So let's understand what is third party administrator. TPA means a company registered with the authority and engaged by an insurer for a fee or by whatever name called, and as may be mentioned in the health service agreement, for providing health services. So a TPA may render the services to an insurer and an agreement in connection with health insurance business only. The servicing of claims under health insurance policies by way of pre-authorization of cashless treatment or settlement of claims other than cashless claims or both as per the underlying terms and conditions of the respective policy and within the framework of the guidelines issued by the insurer for settlement of claims. TPA also provides the servicing of claims for hospitalization cover, if any, under personal accident policy and the domestic travel policy. They also facilitate carrying out of pre-insurance medical examination in connection with underwriting of the health insurance policies. So actually, what is the role of third-party administrator for health insurance? In an emergency, third-party administrators are extremely helpful. In terms of hospitalization claims, you can face difficulties if you don't have health insurance cover. But those who have health insurance, a third-party administrator will help in doing hassle-free claim settlement. As health insurance plans provides a wide range of services, it becomes difficult in comprehending the technical jargons. The third party is such a phrase which is still unfamiliar to many people, and this aims to explain the basic concept of third party administrator in a detailed way. So third party administrator is an insurance regulatory and development authority approved organization since the year 2001, which act as an intermediary between the insured as well as the insurance company in order to process the health insurance claims in a smooth way. They act as outsourced entities which provide claim assistance and also assist in other activities on behalf of the insurance company. So TPA helps the insured and the insurer in the complete phase of the journey, right from searching the network hospital to submitting the right claim documents. This third-party administrator helps customer in health insurance policies in a hassle-free way and assists in resolving any claim-related issues. So TPAs are basically the licensed entities that are selected by a health insurance company and as licensed by RDI to sell health insurance policies. They normally don't sell but provide the services. So in fact, it acts as a one-point contact for all the insurance plan-based queries as well as claim settlement needs for the buyers, which makes sure and providing faster claim settlement in case of emergency. So TPAs are the interlink between insurance companies and the insurance policy holders. They aim to focus on claim settlement, but there are some TPAs which offer valued added services like hospital beds, road ambulance, overall healthcare program, doctor consultation, 24/7 helpline services, pharmacy services, data management, lifestyle management, and others. And these are all important services. Some of you may have already availed, because the services like hospital beds, road ambulance, overall healthcare program, doctor consultation, 24/7 helpline services, pharmacy services, data management, lifestyle management, these are all important services which are required from time to time by any or everybody. So aspects of third-party health insurance includes processing of claims, settlement includes accepting intimation, approving cashless claims, disbursing the claims, utilization review, provider network, enrollment, premium collection, database and maintenance, and cashless processing. If and when a policyholder is admitted to a listed hospital of an insurance provider, the TPA pays the bill. So normally, to make a TPA health insurance claim, they need Aadhaar card, insurance copy of the policyholder, health insurance TPA card, pharmacy and hospital discharge bills or receipts, doctor's prescription or hospital discharge documents. TPA not only help in making claim settlement journey much easier, but also help in increasing their knowledge base of the healthcare facilities. Both insured and insurer can get profit from them. So how TPAs in health insurance help the policyholders? They help in health insurance. They offer a wide range of services and benefits to the insurance policyholders. See some of the key advantages provided by the TPAs. TPA acts as the interlink between the hospital and the policyholder in terms of claim settlement process during hospitalization. Secondly, TPA insurance ensures cashless network hospitals which are included under the list of health insurance providers are fulfilling all the required criteria so that they can serve the policyholders when they are facing medical emergencies. So TPAs are responsible to provide assistance in the hospitalization and claim settlement process. This TPAs helps the policyholder when they are hospitalized and connect with the cashless network hospital to make the entire process hassle-free. And TPAs make sure to arrange some of the important value-added services like wellness program, road ambulance, doctor schedule, etc. So if a policyholder places a request for reimbursement of claims after availing the treatment from a non-network hospital during an emergency, TPA helps in settling the claim in a self-free way. There is another aspect, how to cancel TPA. Okay, TPA acts as a facilitator. Additionally, if there is a delay in the services being rendered, you can get in touch with your insurance company who get in touch with the TPA and update you on the situation. You may talk to your insurer about changing your TPA if you decide you want to cancel one or transfer to another one. There are steps to cancel the TPA and health insurance. Firstly, you have to get in touch with your insurance company either via call or email. Next, you share your policy details as well as your unique ID. You also have to let know the reasons behind the TPA cancellation. Once your insurance company approves the change of TPA, you can select another TPA from the list. So difference between TPA and insurance provider is there. Third-party administrator aims to handle different aspects of insurance offered by the insurance companies. A few of the examples of TPAs are like hassle-free and smooth claim process, efficient customer care, and premium payment management. Now, the key role of TPA in health insurance is it bridges the gap between the insurance policyholders, health and insurance companies. Insurance policyholders and health and insurance companies. On the other hand, health insurance companies are responsible in offering best health insurance plans to individuals, groups, families, and others. TPAs in health insurance act as the administrative foundation in the health insurance system. The value-added third-party administrators and services are also there. Ambulance services, specialized consultation, availability of bed, 24-hour toll-free helplines, lifestyle management, well-being programs, medicine supplies, health facilities. According to experts, providing cashless hospitalization of the insured should be the primary service offered by TPAs. It's important to note that some insurance companies have a separate department which performs the function of TPA instead of outsourcing it to another entity. So, what is the need for TPA? TPA can bring in the following changes like greater efficiency quality, that is delivery of services, improved standardization, means procedures and due diligence, increased knowledge base of healthcare services, new management system, greater penetration of health insurance, minimize cost expenditure, develop protocols to streamline investigations and avoid unnecessary delays, and pave the way for lower insurance premiums. All the same, there is much discrepancy between the aims and the ground realities of functioning of TPAs. As a result, the jury is still out on the efficiency of TPAs in the growing and complex health insurance sector in the country. So the institutionalization of TPAs leaves a lot to be desired. TPAs functions in two different scenarios. In case of cashless treatment, when a policyholder requires a medical treatment, they can visit a hospital which is a part of the network of insurance company. The hospital will send the details of the treatment and approximate cost to the TPA. The TPA officials will verify the eligibility of the policyholder and the coverage provided under the insurance company. If everything is right, the TPA will provide the pre-authorization to the hospital through which the policyholders can receive treatment without paying any upfront. And TPA will then settle the payment with the hospital on behalf of the insurance provider once the hospital bills it directly for the expenses of the care. And the second version is in case of reimbursement treatment. Means if a policyholder gets a treatment from a non-network hospital, he or she has to pay an upfront cost and then file a reimbursement claim with the insurer. So the policyholder will have to submit all the required documents as well as bills to the TPA, after which the TPA officials will verify the details and process the claim. Next, the TPA will send the claim to the insurer for approval as well as reimbursement. So once the claim has been approved, the TPA will reimburse the amount either by issuing check or by doing direct bank transfer to the bank account of the policyholder. GST rate of 18% applicable for all financial services effective July 1, 2017. So this is the role of TPA in the health insurance sector, which is a bridge between the insured and insurer and rendering the services related to the health. Thank you very much.